Well, there's my buddy coming back from exercising. Today's video is going to be about picking up the cargo trailer I came down here to get. We're going to go follow the guy over to where we need to get the repairs. He thinks it's only going to cost about $200. Well, we'll find that one out. Also down here, there are lots of places for rent, for sale. This seems to be a pretty nice place, and you can see the view it has. But $75,000 is about, let's see, $40,000 higher than you can buy a lot of them around here. Yeah, they go from $35,000, even $30,000 for a lot that don't have all this brickwork. But this one does have a little shed back there for your washer and dryer. A little tin building over there, and then you got your patio deal there. $75,000 is, like I said, way overpriced. So we're waiting for the sunshine to come up, and it's just about ready there. I'm gonna go have some breakfast. You guys enjoy this video. It's not gonna be much more than just showing a trailer, what you can buy them for down here if you look around. Enjoy. Finally got my trailer, or anyway, he's got the trailer up ahead of us. We're following him. Don't be singing. They're gonna copyright me. You sound just like the guy.
I sound just like Willie?
Sound just like Willie.
Oh, free Willie.
Not that Willie.
Oh, different Willie.
Different
Willie.
Willie.
Oh yeah, I won't smoke with Willie again.
Anyway, here we go with the anyways. Hope you guys don't mind me saying that all the time.
How about an anywho?
Anywho, we're following the trailer right there.
I got an idea.
What?
Let's make this a drinking game for your viewers. Every time you say anyway, they have to take a drink.
You guys hear that? If I say anyway, you got to take a shot. A tequila.
Or Fireball.
Yeah, or Fireball.
Or your choice of adult beverage.
Yeah. Take a shot of beer. You'll be drunk anyway, many times as I say anyway.
Well, there's 3 of them already.
Yeah, 3 shots.
Yeah, we'll make a new game out of this.
Well, I think he's stuck. What's he doing? This is Chuck. He went and got the trailer. We thought we were supposed to go get it and then move it over to where they're going to work on the axles. They are definitely bent. It looks like both rear and front are bent to me.
On one side.
Well, he hit something. And so we don't know.
Look at the right tires.
Oh, that's he didn't drive that very far.
He towed it from New York, he says.
I think it's ready to fall off.
Well, I think he might have hit something here in Yuma.
Yeah, he could have.
Because those right tires are bowed in bad.
Yep, I think
the camber's way off.
I think we're gonna. They can adjust them, but he wants to get new ones, and he's paying for it, so that works for me. Oh, good grief! I'm never gonna get anywhere. Old people everywhere.
And you are, or we are. Wow, 2 of them.
We are.
We are.
Okay, get out of my way. Because we don't know for sure where we're going, because this guy Chuck, he's a good guy. He's just a little
scatterbrained?
Maybe that's the word for it. Polite word. I'm looking for a polite word. Forgetful.
Forgetful?
Oh, no, because you don't remember it to forget it.
Senile?
Confused.
Senile.
That's what we are.
Oh, that's right. Forgot.
Yeah.
You know, it's the second thing to go.
Yeah, I know. And I forgot the first one.
Exactly.
Yeah. Well, this is day 7 down here for me. I've been screwed up with this dang sciatic nerve, so I haven't been doing much. I apologize for that, but it's going to get better, and I'm going to just bombard all you guys with good stuff. not just us click and clack here.
We enjoy it. Hope they do.
Yeah, yeah. Now we're going down 32nd Street. We've told you about that before. It goes all the way, starts back there. What exit is that? It starts on the 14th exit you can get off on, and this is the frontage road. As you can see, the freeway right over there.
And it'll take you all the way to 1st Street.
Yep, all the way to 1st. Yeah, because then it curves. Yep. But this is not the way I would want to go, or anybody would want to go if you want to get somewhere in a hurry. You want to get to the freeway. But Chuck is towing that trailer. That would have scared me to tow that across town with that axle bent like that, but that's why he's doing it. So anyway, I think there's another anyway. So
take a shot.
We're gonna call this good for now because Terry's got a phone call, and you don't want to just sit here and stare at that trailer. Well, we just dropped off the trailer and it was way more broken than we thought. But Chuck kept his word, and he's gonna fix it for me. 2 bent axles, and it's gonna run around $900 compared to him thinking it was $600. So I'm pleased that he's keeping his word, but I'm not too happy that it's going to cost that much anyway. So now, you notice I didn't say that word. We're headed down to Harbor Freight. We're in, let's turn this one on.
We're on 95, downtown Yuma, right where the shopping malls are at.
Yep, In-N-Out Burger's right
behind you.
Right behind me. If you guys like In-N-Out Burger, that's where it's at. I think, yep, that's recording. We're headed, like I said, to Harbor Freight. Got to get a bigger ball because Chuck was mistaken. Terry was right. And you notice his hat hardly fits his head now because he was right.
Don't believe the farmer boy. Believe some city slicker truck driver.
Yeah, that guy, not this guy.
Right.
I didn't know.
Yeah.
I'm innocent in this thing.
Your best friend and you didn't believe him.
Who? Oh, you! Yeah.
Uh-huh. So now we're off to Harbor Freight to get a ball because your balls are too small.
I know it. Anyway, there's Home Depot. We just crossed the freeway. That's 8. This is not downtown. I think downtown you go straight to.
We're going downtown.
Are we going downtown?
Well, pretty close.
Yeah. So, we'll be picking the trailer up all finished and ready to go on Wednesday or Thursday. Hopefully I'm feeling a lot better. I feel a tad better every day. So, that's all we got for right now. This video will probably be put on after we picked up the trailer, so that'll be end of the week. Hope we didn't bore you too much again. Bye.
Anyway.
One more anyway. We got to get that anyway in. Trying to keep this video a little short, so I'm just going to put picking it up on this one and dropping it off. The next one will show a little more about the trailer if you're interested. Thanks for watching. My camera. Hey, we'll see you when we get back.